Hey guys, it is Monday morning. I'm sitting on my couch. You guys are so sweet. I have so many really wonderful comments, and that's always a really nice thing to wake up to. So thank you guys for commenting and showing me some love. I'm also having some coffee. Good vibes only. I'm gonna shower actually in the next few minutes and get ready, film a couple of videos right after I do my makeup before I head out to work. For now, I've got to get a better system, but for now I'm throwing my receipts in my sugar pill box for tax reasons because I was not really diligent this past year, so I need to do a little bit better this year. So if I'm putting something in a video, I'm keeping track of that just to make sure I'm doing everything right. I've got like this bin of, I don't know, so some like crafty stuff, some just junk cards I've saved, picture frames that I haven't used that I need to put up somewhere. I actually need to take this one out and put a picture of my kitties in. Don't know how I'm going to get a picture of all 4 of them, but we'll try to work that out. So yeah, I've just got like a bunch of stuff in here. There's not much rhyme or reason to any of this. My bar is just a complete mess. So much junk, so I need to clean that off. Need to put my tire gauge back in my car. And this is my purse. I didn't even use my purse the past couple of days. So I'm about to get ready and go to work. I probably won't vlog anymore unless I do something on my lunch break, which I don't really intend to. I'm probably just gonna take something for lunch and just kind of chill out. So that's my day. Lots of work, and I will probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm about to leave for work. It is still Monday. I actually started this vlog on time. So this is my makeup. I am trying out a new foundation and a new highlighter. The highlighter, I don't know. Have to see that in some natural light, but foundation so far so good, and they're both drugstore, so you guys will have probably seen at least one if not both of those already. Getting ready to go. I made my teamie. I've got to leave in like 5 minutes. I made my teamie because I know I'm gonna need some energy. These days are really long, and I don't know, I just like drinking this. It's supposed to help your metabolism as well, which I can say I haven't started working out for real yet, and I think I've already lost a few pounds, which this is really the only thing I've been doing different, you know what I mean? Because I've been back at it. This is my lunch. This is pitiful and sad, but I don't feel like spending money, and I don't feel like eating anything at the mall, and driving around is ugh. Lately I've been like walking around the mall on my lunch break. I don't know, I just feel like at least get a little bit of exercise, even if it's just walking and keeping moving, because on a day when I work, you know, 9 hours and I'm driving as well, like ugh, I haven't started to really work out yet. We're gonna go get our gym membership at the place we've been wanting to go to, I think on the first or the second, depending on which day I have the availability. I think I can go the first. So I want to start that, and for now, this is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of watching what I eat. I'm trying not to eat like too much, and then we're really going to kick it into high gear. That's going to be good. So that's my day right now. I'm going to work, and then I will probably just vlog for you guys tomorrow, and I've got to film a couple clips showing this makeup after 12 hours. So we're gonna see how it looks, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it is Thursday night. I think it's Thursday. I do not remember the last time that I vlogged, and I have a ridiculous amount of makeup on for the gym, but I'm going to the gym because I want to shower afterwards, and I'm like, screw it. I'm gonna take everything off and do like a really good deep cleanse, but I'm wearing my Forrest Gump shirt. It's ridiculous. But we're going to the gym. It's a new place that we started going to. We just signed up for the membership today. We wanted to start it February 1st, you know, because I was sick a lot of January. So I'm calling this the beginning of my new year of my workout, and this little bitty ponytail is so sad. I'm like, this is when I miss my hair the most, because I'm like, where's my ponytail? But we're gonna go work out. If it's not too busy, I will show you guys our gym. Hey guys, it is Friday. It's Friday, and this has been the weirdest morning. I had to vlog for you guys before I film this video. I'm about to film with this Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette. Oh, yes. So I think I'm gonna do like a 90s playlist on my channel, because I have that and I have my pogs, and yeah, hopefully I'll do more too to keep it going. My vanity is such a mess. I've just like, ugh, I made it even worse. So I actually got a call last night saying that, or my boss was asking me if I could come in 2 hours earlier, and I said sure, I'll do that and maybe get out a little bit sooner, get done and start my weekend off. So I was leaving and it was about 7:45. I'm like almost to work. I'm probably like 10 minutes away and my car starts overheating. So I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? And it was a really busy like area. There's not that many busy areas, but I hit like the one super busy area, and I finally got to a place where I could pull over, and it was like really overheating like all the way, but it was really not a safe place until I went a little ways. So I pulled over and yeah, it's leaking like antifreeze everywhere. Like my car is completely like, ooh, running hot. Everything's a mess. I had to wait a while, and finally a cop came along, and he was just like checking on me. It was very nice. I felt like I could have cried because standing out there in the cold, or I was sitting in my car just in case. And at any rate, I finally made it to an Advanced Auto Parts and got some coolants, and then I waited for Zach to get there and for it to cool down, and I put some coolant in it. We took it to the place next door to have them look at it, or a place down the road to have them look at it. So that's where my car is. So my car is currently paying $25 for a diagnostic to find out what's going on. I guess for them just to like look, because it's either a hose or something is cracked or broken or came loose or something like that. So hopefully it's not too expensive, but that's my day. And Monday, I have to tell you guys, I realized yesterday I vlogged for a little bit, and then I realized I don't think I vlogged at all. So that clip is random because I thought I had already vlogged. But Monday I had the worst day. I saw an injured squirrel, and it hurt my heart so much, and I literally cried all the way to work. Apparently he couldn't be saved. We had somebody check on him, and I offered to like care for him before, you know, he went back out in the wild if he was okay, and apparently he had already passed away. But I saw him, and it was very sad and painful, and I'll spare you guys like the gory details because it's if you're an animal lover and if you're as tenderhearted as I am, it's too much. It's very sad. So anyway, it's been a rough little bit of a week, but I'm off this weekend, and I am, fingers crossed, gonna get a call about my car telling me that it's not super expensive. And the gym last night was really crowded when we went, so we might go like later tonight and see how it is and maybe vlog for you guys. But it was super busy. I was really not expecting that many people to be in there. It was quite crowded. It was okay. I'm gonna jump into this and I will vlog for you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, sorry if this is shaky, but I didn't bring my camera with me. This is just my iPhone, but I wanted to kind of show you guys the gym I'm going to. Treadmills, ellipticals. So I kind of warmed up on the like stair Star Trek? I don't know. But I warmed up on like the stair stepper. I did a couple little weights, no big deal. And so there's lots of machines in here. But I just thought while I was here and nobody was in here, I could give you a good little like rundown. It's pretty big, lots of equipment, but they are definitely super packed at like 5 or 6 in the evening. Yeah, so not a great time to vlog, but that's what's going on here. It's a pretty nice place. The equipment is really nice. So I'm excited about it. I'm in the distance there, but let's not focus on that because I ain't looking good. But that's it, and I'm gonna finish working out, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Oh, babe, you trust me to drive one? No, you pull out in front of people constantly. Hey guys, it is Sunday. I'm trying red. Thanks a lot.
Hey guys, it's Sunday. We're in the car and we just went to TJ Maxx and to Ulta. I'll show you everything later, but Ulta has some really cute brush sets from Morphe right now, and I guess he said they were selling out really quickly. So they're called I Slay, and then there's a face brush set as well. This one's only $18 and it's got 6 eye brushes in it, so it was a really good deal. And I had a coupon and some points, so I think I did good. I got everything that I got for $28, and I'll show you guys that later. And we're about to go to Aldi and get a few things. We definitely need sweetener for coffee as number 1 because I have to have coffee every day, multiple times a day, right?
Right.
Right. After that, I think we're just gonna get some food and go home, and then I'll show you everything I got. Guys, it is still Sunday, and I wanted to wrap up the vlog, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So there are two brush sets that are by Morphe that Ulta has right now, and they're both really good deals. So there's Eye Slay, which has 6 eye brushes. Minners, really, buddy. But they are all the eye brushes. They're like a rose gold kind of a handle. They look and feel really nice, so I'm excited to use those. And then the complexion, move it along. The complexion goals has 5 brushes in it. Those also really nice. There's a fan brush. Looks like kind of a pointed powder you could use for blush. Got a flat foundation brush. Really nice. I can't wait to use these. Same handle, so same look. So I got 11 brushes in total. I love to have my brushes in sets. I'm kind of weird like that, so I like to keep the look together. Sally, what is this? Cat track. Get out of the way. I got this little rubber duck that's like a cupcake. I don't know. That was an impulse buy. It was 47 cents, and I don't regret it. So that's everything I got at Ulta. I also used some points, and I used my $5 off coupon from buying, I think it was NYX. So I only spent like $28, not bad. And then I bought these little shoes. I needed some shoes for work that were not tennis shoes, because that's what I prefer to wear, but we're not really supposed to. So I got just like some plain black flats. I don't like them, but they are like pretty comfortable. They've got like a memory foam, so I think they're gonna be good in like the spring and summer when I don't want something super like closed in, because my feet already be hot. And then they had these slippers, and both of these were 50% off, so I wound up only paying $8.50 for those and $4.99 for these, so really can't beat that. So even if I wear these out quickly, I didn't spend much on them. Excuse me. And then I went to TJ Maxx like I told you guys. I didn't get very much, as you can see. These little acrylic organizers though are by this brand. I don't know if that's Bino or what, but it basically is really nice acrylic, and this is only $3.99. So I picked up both of these that I saw. I thought this would be nice for like maybe foundations or something. I can always find a use for them though. Maybe foundations here and concealer in the back. Got 2 of those. I found this Burberry eye color cream, and this is in mink. This was only $9.99. This is the first time I've ever seen any Burberry makeup at TJ Maxx, so I was really happy to find that. That's it in the container there, and then I swatched it. So this is really nice brown. I think that would be a really like quick and easy way to throw on a little brown in the crease, maybe blend it out with a brush, and you've got a really nice, easy, quick look for a day when you can't do much. That's going to be good. I also got the Real Techniques Bold Metals Oval Shadow, because I got the concealer one last time. So now I just have to get the like rose gold one, and then I'll have all 3. And then I finally got Crispy Marshmallow Bars by Philosophy. So this is their shower gel, shampoo, bubble bath all in one. And it was only $11.99, so pretty good deal. It smells really nice and sweet. And this is Sally getting into everything. Sally, do you want to say goodbye again? You want to say bye-bye? Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you will subscribe. Definitely leave a thumbs up if you like these type of vlogs, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.